Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix could not find rune64.dll GTA 5 enhanced. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type virus and threat protection. Click on open it and you just need to scroll down and you can able to see protection history. Click on it and in here you can able to see thread restored. In my case I restored the thread related to GTA 5. In our case it will be as thread quarantined. Just click on it and select yes. If you see a file related to GTA 5, then you will have an option to restore the files guys. In my case I already restored three files related to GTA 5. As you can see, rune64.dll I already restored. All you have to do is just check whether the game related file in here, and then you just need to click on this option guys. You will get this option. Click on the action and select the restore option. In my case I already restored all the files. If restore option is missing, then select the allow option, and after that just need to select the virus and threat protection and scroll down and select the manage settings under virus threat protection settings, and scroll down to the bottom and select add or remove exclusions, and select yes, and select add an exclusion and select folder option, and you just need to navigate to the GTA 5 game folder guys. In my case I saved in C drive. Here is the game folder. As you can see, Grand Theft Auto enhanced. Select the select folder option and the folder has been added to this list guys, as you can see, and now you can able to launch the game without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.